Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python series. In the last video, we learned what Python actually is and even peeked inside how it's run our code. But now it's time to do something cooler. Let's talk about variable. Basically, Python's way of remembering stuffs for us. Yes. So imagine this. You go to a grocery store and you buy chips, juices and chocolates. Now where do you keep them? Yes, in bags, right? Each bag has something inside, chips in one, juices in another bag, and you label them so you know what's what. Yes. Well, that's exactly what variables do in Python. They are like labeled bags that hold your data. See, whenever you create a variable, you are basically saying, hey Python, please hold this value for me. I might need it later. For example, let's take name equal to cs unlocked. Variable name is name. Yes, and take one more, age, right, is 25. Cool. Here you just told Python store a word cs unlocked inside a bag called name and store a number 25 inside another bag called age. Now anytime you say print name, Python opens the bag and says, here you go, cs unlocked. Haha, crazy, right? Getting my point? See, variables are like the memory of your program. They hold everything you tell Python to remember. Numbers, text, even entire list of things. And guess what? You don't even need to say what type of data it is. Python is smart enough to figure that out on its own. Yes, Python can figure out on its own. Like, let's take the example price and gives the value in float. Yes, see, it will recognize, that's a float value. And let's take one more example. Next one is, let me take, yes, is a student. Let's take is a student and give the value true. See, Python will recognize that it's a Boolean value. Yes. So it's now clear we don't need to mention type of data in Python. Python has the habit to recognize the data type on its own. We don't need to mention any data type. Yes, that makes Python crazy. Now, how does Python actually store this? Yes, think of it like a table in memory. Each variable name points to a specific value. If you ever want to check where exactly Python is stored in, you can use this magic function. I will show you. Let's open the VS Code and write and take the example similar. Name, CS unlocked. Okay, ignore my spelling mistakes and take age 25. Then let me print. Now see the magic function. ID and mention the variable name. It will show you a unique memory address. Yes, it will show you a unique memory address. It will show that each variable name points to a specific value, kind of like your variable's home address. Let me run this. But don't worry, you don't need to remember that address. Python handles all that for you. Yes, it handles all that for you on its own. We don't need to remember any kind of this memory address, okay? But you should know this Python actually store this. How Python actually stored this. Yes, names, where it stored this. Yes. Let's take one more example. X is equal to 5, y is equal to x, and again x is equal to 10. Now let me print y. Now, what do you think the output will be? Can you guess? And please mention in the comment box your answer. Yes, it's actually 5, not 10. It will give 5, not 10. Why? Because when you said y is equal to x, Python copied the value, not the live connection. Yes, it will take the upper value first and ignore the second value. Because after that, let me show you one thing. Let me show you the output. See, the 5. But if I say this, now y equal to x, then what will be the output? 10. Yes, obviously. It will now, at first it will store this value, then x is equal to 10, then it will store this value, and it will take y, this y. Okay, clear? Understood? Let me take a quick recap and give you the quick tips. See, variable names are case sensitive. Got it? Let me write down it. First point is case sensitive. Yes. Now, second is, first is variable names are case sensitive. That means name, and name. That means, wait, let me show you. Name, and name. All are different, right? Remember this. They are not same. All are different. So always keep your naming clean and clear. Remember this. Always keep your naming clean and clear. We will talk about variable naming rules property in the next video, because trust me, one wrong name can break your code faster than you can say syntax error. So remember what we have learned today. Alright, first thing, variables are like labeled containers for storing data. Variables are like labeled containers for storing data. You can store numbers, text, or even complex data. Yes, Python automatically detects data type. Remember this. Each variable lives in memory with its own address. I have shown you that each variable lives in memory with its own address, and naming matters a lot in the end. Always remember to keep your naming clean and clear, because it matters a lot. So remember these 5 points, that variables are like labeled containers for storing data. You can store, second point is, you can store numbers, text, and even complex data in variables. Yes, Python, remember the third point is, Python automatically detects data type. You don't need to mention the data type, it will automatically detect it. Fourth point is, each variable lives in memory with its own address. And the last and the most important thing is, naming matters a lot. Naming should be clean and clear. If you are giving always remember that variables are case sensitive, so naming should be clean and clear. Okay, clear what are variables? And yes, clear. I guess it should be clear. So in the next video we will go deeper into how to name variables properly, what's allowed or what's not allowed, and how to make your code look clean, readable, and professional. Because let's be real, nobody likes messy code. Yes, no one likes messy codes. You have to know how to name variables properly. Okay guys, if this helped you understand variables, drop a like button and comment your first Python variables below. Even if it's something silly like pizza, yes please, you can do it. Don't forget to subscribe, because you are just getting started on this Python adventure. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.